Good evening, class. My name is Michael Watkins, and this is me right here in the middle. This is the day I came home from my mission. This is all my family. Okay, let's get started. So, I would like to be a clinical psychologist. I think it'd be very interesting. What clinical psychologists do is they identify emotional, mental, and behavioral problems within clients and be able to help them with their issues. They counsel them and they help them become better. They diagnose these individuals with specific problems, and through this, they develop personalized treatment plans to be able to get them from where they were to where they can be. So while these individuals are being counseled, they are observed, they are interviewed, they are tested by the psychologist to be able to help them figure out what exactly is wrong with these people. Clinical psychologists also conduct research. This helps other psychologists, the general community, be able to get to new understandings. The education of a clinical psychologist starts out with a bachelor's degree, or any psychologist really. You need to get your bachelor's degree. Then from there, depending on what you major in, for this clinical psychology, you need to go into graduate school. To practice, you need to receive your PhD, your doctorate degree. Within your bachelor's degree, you need to do an internship to gain experience, and then you're in business. So my 4-year plan is I want to study here at BYUI, maybe transfer down to Provo to receive my bachelor's degree, but overall I want to go to BYU to receive my PhD. Hopefully I will get into the program. It'll be amazing. And I hope to practice in the state of California. So my why is I just like to help people. I like to help people in this specific category. The behavioral, mental, and emotional side of things just greatly interests me. And I want to help people in this specific way. Human behavior, all that stuff is just amazing. I feel pretty inspired to want to go into this career, and I find that I'm very passionate about this. As I'm learning my classes, doing my own research and learning on my own, I find that I very much enjoy this work. Other people's why includes, here bachelor's degrees a bachelor's degree in psychology will prepare me for a job, or becoming a social worker, or becoming an academic psychologist. Many other reasons, but I believe that these reasons should be very personal. They need to be a part of you. If you're passionate about something, if you're good at something, then you'll be able to succeed in whatever you do. For me, this is psychology, specifically clinical psychology. And that is my presentation.